Hey guys, welcome back to the Mika Obs Reviews. As you can see, this isn't my usual setup. I am actually down in Miami Beach, Florida, but I want to take the time to tell you guys some Nintendo Switch essentials that you need in 2020. So, actually, I love this puppy. So, all these products were actually in my last video, and if you haven't checked that one out, definitely hit that video link up there and check that one out. It's what tech to buy during the holiday season. Well, I guess it's a little late for that now. But as I'm saying that, if you actually don't know who I am, you haven't seen that video, definitely hit that subscribe button to get my next video drop. I do a lot of tech and college related stuff, so definitely stay tuned to that. So without further ado, let's just dive into this video. And all these products, before I forget to say, all these products, the links are down below. So if you find anything you like, definitely hit the links down below. And I am not sponsored by any of these companies at all. So all that I will say, let's just go in. So as you guys know, I am constantly traveling. I'm on the go always. This break alone, I was in Maryland to Connecticut to Morocco. Now I'm in Florida, and I'm going to go back to Connecticut then to Maryland. Constantly on the go. So one of my favorite tech essentials for my Switch is this Satisfy Grip. Let me take that puppy out right here. The Satisfy Grip. I love this thing so much. Let me slide my Switch in there, because honestly, it kind of feels real without having it in there. Oop, as I take my Switch out. Oop, having some struggles. Got it. It's usually a lot easier than that. Feeling pressure because you guys were watching me. So, I love this thing so much. It feels so great. I honestly, when I saw this thing come out a few years ago, I didn't think about having to pick one up. I thought my Switch by itself was fine. But after putting this grip on it, I honestly can't play without it. It just makes long play time, long gaming, I guess, so easy. So, I didn't just pick up the grip, and I really can't say anything bad about the grip. Like, the design itself looks great. Oh, the design is different than the old grip. They actually put these rubber insoles, as you guys can see here, that your Switch doesn't actually ever touch the plastic, which is really thoughtful of them. So, it actually just touches this rubber, which makes it stick so much better, and it doesn't fall out. It doesn't actually scratch your Switch up. So, like, as you can see, it doesn't knock out. It's so great. I didn't just pick up this, though. I got the Slim Bundle, which comes with this traveling case. So your Switch just goes right in here, and it fits great. I love the traveling case. I love how it fits the Satisfy Grip in it. Great and everything. There's just two things I want to say, so you guys know that I didn't actually know when I first got this thing. The first thing I want to say is that there's no pocket inside, as you can see here. There's only a thing for your games. But when I'm traveling, I like putting all my Switch-related stuff in one place. And I only travel with a lot of stuff for my Switch-wise, right? One thing I do travel with, I do like bringing, is these bumpers, Joy-Con bumpers. There's no pocket to place them, so I actually place them just on the bottom of this case, which is not really in the way for the case or anything. I just put them down here, and I zipper it up so it's good to go. It doesn't really take any room, it doesn't do any damage or anything. But I kind of wish there was a pocket. The other thing is, this case is called the Slim case for this, right? It's not that slim. Yeah, it's slim compared to the other ones, but my old case that you guys have seen from my last video was a lot smaller than this, actually, and it could fit a special little small pocket in my backpack, which I liked. This one is definitely definitely has more length to it and definitely thicker than the other one, so it takes a lot more space up in your backpack, but I think it's okay, well spaced for it. As you can see, I have a carabiner, so when it doesn't fit in my when I have too much in my backpack, I can just attach it on the outside, but you shouldn't always do that for security purposes. And my other thing I don't like about this case, it's just really small, pet peeve of mine, is you can actually hit the buttons on the outside. As you can see here, I'm putting next to the mic. And yeah, it is really protective, don't get me wrong, but it just kind of bothers me sometimes. But I do trust this thing. Yeah, and I used this on the plane to Morocco for the 8-hour flight. I probably played for Astro Chain for 4 hours, and this grip was amazing. I really liked it. It made it so it was just very comfortable playing in my hands, that type of gameplay. So, that's really all I have to say about the Satisfy Grip right now. I definitely highly recommend it. If you're going to pick anything on this list, this is definitely one of the things that I really recommend. Keeping the theme of travel going, the other thing I think you guys should pick up is a Bluetooth adapter. And I'm saying that because if you see my last video, right, I went on a rant about how Nintendo didn't actually have a Bluetooth capability on the Switch. To this day, I'm still baffled by it. It's just really frustrating that you can't use your Bluetooth headphones on on your Switch. Like, it's made for on the go. I don't know what Nintendo was thinking, but because of that, so many third parties people made these Bluetooth adapters. So my last video, I talked about the Genki Bluetooth adapter. That's $60 even on the holiday season. So I picked this thing up, and I'm calling it this thing because it doesn't actually have a company name with it. So I don't know who to give credit to. But as you can see here from the Amazon website, it's cheaper than the Genki ones, and it's really good. So it plugs in, as you guys can see right now, turn my Switch on, it plugs in just the USB-C port, and the blue light goes on, and that means it's ready to pair or I connect to a Bluetooth headset. So I connect it to my AirPods, which are in my pocket, and as soon as I open my AirPods and put them in, it'll be connected. You can see here that there's actually two LED indicators. There's one for one headphone, and you actually plug another one in at the same time, so you and your buddy could play the same game and listen to the same music at the same time with your headphones. What I also like about this is I'll take it out of the case of my Satisfy grip so you can see it, is that it has a USB-C, so you can actually charge while you're playing, which I like so much. And it also comes with, let me get that real quick. It also comes with this cool USB-C to USB-B, I guess, adapter, so you can plug it into the Switch dock. I actually have my dock. We'll get to this in a second. But you can plug it in, so let's say if you need that, you can plug it in right here. And you can plug it into your PC or whatever. So I like that it comes with that automatically. It's a great little steal. So honestly, my look right now that I usually have is something like this, because it fits really nice with the Satisfy grip. I just think this looks really pretty. So with all that being said, one thing I do like a lot to have is when I travel is a dock. It's kind of spoiler alert, you can see the dock right here. I actually have the box right here. It's kind of beat up from the travels. It's from Best Buy's brand, the Insignia brand. It's called the Dock Kit. And the slogan on this is portable dock for playing on your TV, at home, or on the go. So, this is the box. It comes with, actually, I'll just show you this first. This is the dock, right? And you can see, already looking at it, it's so much smaller than the Nintendo official dock. And I know a lot of people are like, oh my god, some third-party docks will brick your Switch. I can promise you, well, I can't promise you, but I can say I trust this thing a lot, and it hasn't bricked my Switch at all. It has really good reviews. I really trust this brand. But if I actually close this, the Satisfy grip, the Satisfy case, you can see how much smaller it is to comparison-wise. It just fits right there. So this little thing has on it, it has its own AC adapter, it's USB-C. It actually comes with its own power plug outlet. Power plug, yeah. So you don't have to use your Nintendo official one that came with a dock. You don't have to even touch that setup. You have a whole new setup basically. So it comes with that. It'll come with HDMI out and HDMI output, and actually comes with an HDMI cable, which is really fun, really great for them. It has a USB port, as you already saw when I demonstrated that, so you actually can plug in accessories, your controller. I use it to charge my Pro controller. And it's really small and lightweight. Like, I probably wouldn't put this in my backpack personally, but I'll put it in my suitcase when I travel with it, or a duffel bag. Just because backpack space, as you guys can know, is valuable space. But it slides right in there. And as you guys can see, when I slide my Switch in, when it's plugged in and everything, a LED indicator turns on for it, which is really great. So I guess those three are the definitely iPhone, Nintendo Switch essentials that you guys need for your in 2020. Like, I definitely recommend everything I just said. Yeah. So if you're still here, thank you so much. If you're still here, amazing you lasted this long, I guess. But thank you for all your support. And just for you, I'm going to throw in one more technology in here. So recently, I replaced my power bank, my portable charger. I had a Mophie, I think it was 8,000 milliamp hour battery, I loved it so much. It was great for my iPhone alone, to charge my iPhone up. But it really wasn't good when I had to charge my iPad Pro for classes. Let's say I was in class and my iPad was down to like 5%. I'm like, oh god, I need to plug in anything. It held it charged, but didn't actually charge it. So I got this. This is the Rave Power Extreme Series. It's actually hefty. It has, let me get the right number for you guys. It has a 26,800 milliamp hour battery pack. It actually comes with a little pouch, which is really cute. I really like it. But the thing's a machine. I actually have charged my phone on the plane to Morocco and back. I've charged my phone from 0 to 100 with this thing, and it didn't even go down to 75%. It has like charge indicator lights, and you have 3 smart chargers, so it knows how much power to give to each device, and a charging port for itself. That being said, it can totally charge your Switch up and your iPad no problem asked. So this is a really cool device. I really recommend this product. I really like how it just feels it feels quality, and it just works really well for all your devices. Well, honestly, that's all the tech I have for you guys right now. If you have liked any product on this list, you definitely hit that thumbs up, and actually leave a comment below which one you like and which one you're gonna get, or which one do you think I should add to this list. Definitely let me know. I'm glad to hear from you guys. Definitely smash that subscribe button and hit that bell to get notified of my latest video drop. Until next time, guys, stay good.